Alright, so we are with the Triumph Street Scrambler. So this is our last ride with the Triumph. So unfortunately we're gonna part X this bike for a very exciting one. Nice car, mate.
Dito pala tayo, maliwag pala.
Oh, Defender. Paragliding. I want to do that. So the thing about this bike is so chill that you can put your foot in the engine and the exhaust, and you can just ride like this. It's chill. If you're having a fatigue or you're having a cramps, just stretch your leg or bend it. It's chill. Chill. As you can see, we're just doing 30 miles per hour, more or less. So yeah, this is the last time that we're gonna ride this bike. So we are here now in Southbourne. We're just gonna chill here, enjoy the view by the beach. Ah. So yeah, so this is the last time. This is it. The new bike is gonna be ready tomorrow, but that's gonna be a different content for you guys. So it's gonna be a sad and exciting transition for the new bike. So this is Marvin's bike. That's the guy right there, and he decided to change it. He's not happy with it. I mean, he's wanting more. It's not that powerful. It's just more an off-road. It's just more torquey bike. So yeah, this is the last ride. So we're here at Lansdowne, Bournemouth, and we are in Kitchen Sushi Bar. So if you're around Bournemouth, make sure to check out this place. So we're just stopping for a quick bite. We're having a tofu katsu curry and some spicy, I can't remember the name. Spicy breaded chicken with rice and something. Takoyaki something, I don't know, I can't remember. So yeah, so make sure to check out this place. Yeah, I just want to share with you that bike, that Triumph Street Scrambler is just gonna be today. Just gonna be our last day riding it, because we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna part X it for a different bike, and I'm gonna keep you updated what bike we're gonna get. It's something exciting. I know that you all gonna like it. Thank you for watching, thank you for joining me today, and I'm out.